A train 100-meter long is moving with a velocity of 60 kilometer per hour. Find the time taken to cross the bridge 1 kilometer long. So what is the total length of the bridge? 1 kilometer. Okay, so this is the total length of the bridge. 1 kilometer. Okay, so AB. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so that you understand. Train 100 meter long means this is the train. So it will take here till 100 meter long. Like that, how many? 10 times like that. Now you can understand by seeing. Okay, so is moving with a velocity of 60 kilometer per hour. So velocity is 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, so that means what is the time taken is the question. What is the time formula? Time formula will be distance divided by speed. Here the speed is velocity only. Na? So distance by velocity. What is the total distance? That is the important part of this question. Okay. Total distance traveled by the train to cross the bridge of 1 kilometer will be equal to total length of the bridge, okay, plus 100-meter long of the train. That also you want to include. That will be the total distance divided by velocity. Already they have given 60 kilometer per hour. But here we have converted to meter, right? Like that you can do, or you can do in this 1 kilometer plus this, but that then it will become 1 kilometer, then 100 meter, like that. Anyway you need to convert, right? So that's the reason we have converted. Since you have converted the kilometer to meter, you need to convert the velocity 60 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So how will you do? 60 into 5 by 18 formula already we studied now. So if you do that, you will get the answer. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 6, 18. 10 into 6, 60. 10 5s are 50. So you will get 50 divided by 3. Okay, so that is equal to 1100 into 3 divided by 50. 0, 0 cancel. 1 into 5, 5. 2 5s are 10. 1 balance. 2 5s are 10. 22. 22 into 3, 66. And that is in second. 66 means 1 hour is 60 second. Sorry, 1 hour is 60 minutes, right? So it is in second, right? Okay. So if you convert to a minute, what will happen? 1 minute, 6 seconds is the answer, right?
Got 1 minute.
No, 1 hour. 1 hour, wait, 60 seconds, right? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, correct? Then 1 minute equal to 60 second. Okay. Tell ma. Someone told na.
Yes, ma'am, I got 1 minute.
1 minute only na, correct? 1 minute, 6 seconds. Okay. A car travels a certain distance from A to B with a speed of 60 kilometer per hour and then returns to the starting point with a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Find the average speed and average velocity of the car. Okay. So speed, first velocity is 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. And then returns to the starting point. Okay. Then that is also V2, that is 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. Find the average speed. What is the formula for average speed? Total distance divided by total time taken. What is the total distance? They have given? No. But they have given. What they have given? They have given like kilometer per hour. Means 1 hour it travels 60 kilometers. The meaning of the question. They have given like that. Correct? So if you can take like assume the distance, okay, so let this be our distance, AB. Okay, then so from the A to B, if the distance is x, okay, from B to A, again it is x only, right? So total distance will be equal to 2x. Okay, or we can tell x plus x. So what will be the time taken to cover A, B from the starting to B? How much time taken? So x is the distance, right? And average speed is 60. So x by 60. Similarly, what is the T2? T2 is equal to again x divided by 40. In now it will become 40 because that is the speed. Okay, so x by 60 and x by 40. Now total time t is equal to t1 plus t2. So that is equal to x by 60 plus x by 40. So the it will become 40x plus 60x divided by 6 fours are 24, then 0, 0. So that is equal to 100x divided by 2400. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. You will get x by 24 hours. Clear this point, total time taken. Now what is we want to find? Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. What is the total distance? 2x. What is the total time? X by 24. So this 24 will go up. So you will get 2 into 24, that is equal to 48 kilometer per hour. Why? This x and x get cancelled also, right? Clear? It's not finished. This much clear?
I'm available to change it. Can you show the writing?
Next is average velocity. Okay, so for to find the average velocity, how will you do? You need to find the total displacement. Okay, so total displacement is what? Who will tell the total displacement for this particular question?
Then can you show the writing again? I didn't take the screenshot.
That I will do. Please tell the answer now. Total displacement. Same now. A to B. Yes, Fatin.
Now 48 something.
No, total displacement means x minus x. So 0 only, na? Right? We will check for the direction also. So 0 divided by same total time is x by 24. Time is not going to change, right? So you will get what? Average velocity is equal to total displacement 0 divided by time is x by 24 only. So you will get 0. Okay, that's it. So understood the difference between average velocity and average. A cyclist goes around a circular track once in every 2 minutes. Okay. If the radius of the circular track is 110 meter, calculate the speed of the cyclist. This is the formula. This is the question. Okay. So one in 2 minutes able to go, he is going like that. In 2 minutes going like that. So radius is given. So r is equal to 110 meter. For a circle, okay, for a circle, what will be the total distance? How will I calculate the total distance? It is equal to circumference of the circle, right? Circumference. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 110. So you will get 110, multiply it. 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 11 is 484. Now, then 0 will be there divided by 7 meter. That is the total distance. And what will be the total time? 2 minutes they told. So you need to convert the total time 2 minute to second. That is 2 into 60. 120 second. Okay. So what is the formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. So 4840 divided by 7 into 120. Okay. Sorry, 4840 divided by 7 into 120 because it is in the denominator, na, distance by time. This time will come down. Now 0, 0 get cancelled. 484 and 12. We have both of them common factor and 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then again 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Okay, so 121 divided by 7 into 3, 21, like that. So you will get 21 into 1 into 5, 5, 5 to 10, 105, 21 into 6, 126. Okay, so 5, 105, 11 minus 5, 6, then 1, 16, then point 0, and then again what we can take. 7, 1, 7 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 147, 10 minus 7, 3, 5 minus 4, 1. Then again, here 0 we can put, up to 2 decimal places you need to do. So 6 will come because already we found 126, na? So that is answer. So answer is 5.76 meter per second. I hope clear. It is a easy question only. An electric train is moving with a velocity of 120 km per hour. How much distance will it move in 30 seconds? Direct question only. So average velocity is velocity is given. Distance we need to find. So distance is equal to velocity into time. That is the formula. Speed into time, same only. Speed with the direction is called velocity. So that same formula only you want to use. So that is equal to 120 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour means can we able to multiply that and all? You need to be careful. So you need to multiply by 5 by 80. That formula converting to meter per second multiplied by time is what? 30 seconds. Okay, 1 minute. So then if you cancel both of them divisible by what? 6, 3 into 6, 18. 20 into 6, 20 into 6, 120. Then 3, 30, 10. 10 into 3, 30. So 20 into 500, 100 into 10, 1000. So answer is 1000. What is the unit? Meter. Okay, finished. Clear? Can we move?
Only this much, ma'am?
A car travels along a straight line for first half time with the speed of 40 km per hour and second half time with the speed of 60 km per hour. Find the average speed of the car. Okay. Okay. So they have not given the time. We can take it as T1, T2. Okay. Speed is equal to V1 equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. And V2 equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then average speed. What is the average? Average speed means what? V average is equal to one formula we studied na, initial velocity, final velocity given means u plus v divided by t, or total like that it comes, right? That initial v1 plus v2 divided by 2, like that it comes. So that formula you can use here. 40 plus 60 divided by 2, that is 100 by 2, that is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, that's it. Clear? Thumbs up.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I can do this.
One small correction, not v u plus v. That is what formula we had. initial velocity, final velocity, right? Correct. Okay. Next. Correct. Next one. Usha swims in a 90-meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and average velocity. Average velocity is easy, na? Why? Because they told the word same path. Okay, so 90 meter here 90 meter gone. When she is back, it will be minus 90 meters. So total displacement will be 0. So average velocity will be 0. So second part easy. Average speed only you need to find. So average speed, how will you find? A total distance you need to find. Total distance is equal to 90 plus 90. That is 180 meter. Already it is given in the question, 180 meter. Okay, so 180 meter. Now, she covers 180 meter in 1 minute. Okay, so total time 1 minute, that is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So what is the average speed? Average speed is equal to what? Distance by time, right? So 180 divided by 60, that is equal to 3. So answer is 3 meter per second. Clear? Train question, total distance is equal to what? The length of the track, that is 400 meter, plus trains distance, that is 200. So totally 600. What is the unit? Meter. What is the velocity? Velocity is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. So you need to convert to meter per second. So 36 into 5 by 18. So it will become 1 into 18, 18, 2 into 18, 36. So 10 10 meter per second. Okay, then time taken. Time is equal to 600 meter divided by 10. So that is equal to 60 minute. 60 minutes is equal, 60 second. Sorry, not minute, 60 second. Because we have written in meter per second. Na? So 60 second, which is equal to 1 minute. That's it, finished. Done.